Victory. I get my good look and
Yeah, very, very, very happy about it. Because giving it for first round, we lost 2-0 against them because but we managed to hulugisa.
Yeah.
So today let's not get too excited. Let's play polo the way the opponent, because nagongo barato ya the opponent.
Yeah. But the preparation how tamo game here today na dile bya for team ya lena ya Ga-Rankuwa Queens.
Preparations are nedile sharp fella. We dealt with more ball work because physically ba fit when it comes to running. That's what we do since Regimako Odi Stadium and Arena like ground of Elemo as much, and we're not allowed to play Kapolo Kamohareha Stadium. So like most of Jimiar and it's focused on running. So but then at least on Thursday we managed to read netball and the defensive drills, midfielders and strikers. So
yeah. Next encounter, coach, after this win, surely maybe we'll happen another 3 points.
Yeah, we like I said, we had a rough first round and we're trying to have a better second round. So aim is to win the game almost totally. But then like I'm sure we're all teams that's what they want for their team. So nothing is going to be easy. We're going to fight. We're willing to go there and fight till the end.
Yeah.
So we're playing Titans.
Yeah.
And home ground advantage.
Definitely.
Yes.
All right, Mesha.